Here are 5 must-have accessories that can elevate your wardrobe instantly. Hello there, my name is Dana Jean Antonelli. I'm a certified etiquette consultant. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Here I talk about manners, modern etiquette, self-development, and anything else that can help you become the best version of yourself. If you've been here before, I'm very happy to welcome you back. So for today's video, you asked for it. You want accessories that can help you instantly elevate your look, and I'm here to deliver. So let's get to it. Number 1, this is on the top of my list and I actually have a video on it, silk scarves. I love silk scarves. They are so fun. It really just instantly elevates your look. As you can see right now, I have a plain black dress, but with the scarf, it just adds a little bit more color, a little bit more character. I will link my video on that down below, but this one is an Hermes scarf, and obviously you don't have to break the bank to find nice silk scarves. You can go on Amazon. I have a few from H&M that I get compliments on all the time, but silk scarves are number 1 on my list. Now, number 2 is a classic statement watch. Now, I've actually never been a watch person, especially nowadays, we have our cell phones, so we can just tap on the screen to look at the time. But this one is a Cartier Panthère watch, and this has actually been a dream watch of mine. I'm not big into the Rolex or anything else, but I love this one. And to be quite honest with you, I actually look at the time on this more than my phone now. Now, if you don't want to break the bank, brands like Timex, they have great watches, great designs, almost like a knockoff, so to speak. But I will say for me, and I've told you this time and time again, investing in quality pieces is really important if you want something that will last you for years to come. Number 3 on my list is a nice quality classic handbag. I have here a vintage Chanel quilted caviar classic flap bag. I bought this pre-loved. It's in an amazing condition and I wear it all the time, whether I'm dressed up or dressed down. Now, I know I tell you all the time to stay away from athleisure, but I see a lot of people wearing athleisure with this type of handbag, and it just instantly elevates their look, even though they're super casual. Number 4 on my list are a pair of classic Ballerina Flats. Now, I love these because they are comfortable. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, you can wear a pair of jeans and just a white t-shirt from Zara, and it will instantly elevate your look. These are a little bit more on the higher end price range, but it's all about investing in quality pieces that will last you a lifetime. And lastly, number 5 on my list is a bold lip color. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be bright red, but just something that's a little bit more bolder, especially if you were deciding on running out to run errands with a bare face. A little bit of color on your lips would go a long way. And there you have it, my top 5 accessories that I often use to help elevate my look, whether it's dressing up or dressing down. These accessories will definitely help you look more polished instantly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching.